Hello students, so today I am going to explain you question number 8 from exercise 13.7. If the triangle ABC in question number 7, so I'll show you the question number 7. Here there was a triangle. So triangle ABC with sides 5, 12 and 13 is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. So this is a triangle. It is revolved means what? It is rotated about the side 12 centimeter. It is turned. So find the volume of solid so obtained. So when you rotate the triangle, right angle triangle, you will get the right circular cone. So if the triangle ABC in question number 7 we have seen about is revolved about the 5 centimeter. So this triangle we have revolved about the 12 centimeter. Now we are revolving it about the 5 centimeter. Means what? It will come like this. Here it will come vertically and we have to revolve. So what happens here? This will become, now also you will get what? Right circular cone only. But 12, this will be the slant height and this is the perpendicular, it is the perpendicular height, and this 12 centimeter will become radius. Is revolved about the side. Then find the volume of a solid so obtained. So as I told you, when you revolve around the 5 centimeter, then also you will get the right circular cone. So you need to find out the volume. Then find also the ratio of volumes of two solids obtained in question number 7 and question number 8. So first of all, we'll find out, we'll draw the figure once again, find also the ratio of, then we'll find that question later. So first of all, we'll find out the volume of a cone which we obtain in question number 8. Because question number 7 volume we have here already. So a right triangle ABC, here same with same measurement you have to take 13 centimeter, and question number 7 ABC, this measurement is revolved about the side 5 centimeter. To revolve, what I'll do, instead of taking like this, I'll take here as 5 centimeter. I'll rotate this. So here this 5 centimeter will come here and the remaining side is 12 centimeter we will get. If you rotate this or revolve this, what happens? There is formation of cone, isn't it? With the perpendicular height 5 centimeter, slant height 13 centimeter, and the radius will be 12 centimeter. So then find the volume of a solid so obtained. So here also we got the solid as cone. So we'll first find out the volume of a solid so obtained. So here we'll write out the measurements. Height of a cone, that is perpendicular height, h, that is 5 centimeter. Then slant height L, that is 13 centimeter. We show the slant height by letter L. Then radius R, that is 12 centimeter. So we'll find out the volume here. Volume of a cone. Here only the shape of volume has changed. So 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 pi is 22/7 into r square. R is radius, 12 into 12. This is h, the perpendicular height, that is 5. So now you can see here 3 ones are, 3 fours are, you can do 22/7 into 4 into 12 into 5. So you can multiply these all things. So 22/7, here I'll multiply this first. 5 fours are 20 into 12. So this is 22/7 into 12 twos are 24 to 0. Volume for cone here we got. So this is 3.14 into 240. You can find out 0 keep as it is. 314 into 24 you can do. Then after whatever answer you get from right side, that is unit tens place. After tens place you have to give the point. So here you will get the answer as 3575360. But after the 2 point, after the 2 places you have get the point. So the volume will get what? 753.60 or 6. So volume we are going to measure in cubic units. So unit is centimeter. So centimeter cube. So here there are 2 parts in this question. So you can see one second question. Find the volume for solid so obtained. So we got the solid here. So now the second question here in this, find also the ratio of volumes of two solids obtained in question number 7. So in question number 7 also we had got cone only. the volume of that question number 1 cone and the ratio of both we have to find out here. So we have already here question number 7. In that we have got the cone with the height 12 centimeter, and now we have the cone with the height 5 centimeter. So we'll find out here. So this is the volume we got here. So we'll take volume of a cone. So this volume which we got from question number 7, that I'll write as V1 and this is V2. So V1 we have this, you can take, otherwise you can take here 3.14 into 100. So it will be, because anyhow we are finding the ratio, so it will get cut. So I'll take this as 3.142 into 100. Instead of taking this, I'll take this. This is cm cube. So these two we have to take the ratio. So therefore, that is V1 upon V2 I'll do. So instead of writing full sentence, we can write as ratio of V1 to the V2. So V1 is 3.142 into 100 cm cube. And here V2. Even V2 you can take this, because anyhow we are finding the ratio 3.142, that is pi into 240. So this will get cancelled. Then 1 zeros will get cancelled. 10 upon 24. Convert this into the lowest form. So we can divide this with 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. So 5 by 12. So this is the lowest form. Therefore the ratio is 5:12.